In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell crypto on BingX. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or an experienced trader, navigating exchanges can sometimes be daunting. That's why I'm here to guide you through the steps clearly and concisely, ensuring your selling experience is smooth and efficient. Let's get started by visiting the BingX platform. Simply open your preferred web browser and go to the official BingX website. Once there, your first action is to locate and click on the Buy Crypto link. You'll typically find this option on the main page of the platform. This will lead you to the section of the platform dedicated to buying or, as you might suspect, selling crypto. Now, once you're in the buying and selling section, look for the P2P trading option. This takes you to a peer-to-peer area of the site where users can trade directly with one another. It's a popular method for buying and selling crypto as it often comes with lower fees and more flexibility. Next, you'll want to select the Sell option. This is where you decide which specific cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Maybe it's USDT, BTC, or another supported coin. After selecting your preferred cryptocurrency, enter the amount you want to sell, and it doesn't stop there. Your next move is to select the fiat currency you'd like to receive in exchange for your crypto. Doing this allows you to filter available ads, ensuring that they match your criteria, like payment method preferences and other specifics. Once you've found an ad that fits your needs, go ahead and click on Sell with Zero Fee. This will initiate the order and ready you to proceed with the transaction. At this point, patience is key, as the next step involves waiting for the buyer to send the payment. You'll do this by keeping an eye on your preferred payment method, whether it's your bank account or e-wallet. Always make sure to log in and verify that you've received the agreed upon amount. It's really important not to skip this verification step to ensure that everything is correct and secure. Now that you've confirmed the payment has been received, it's safe to return to the BingX platform. Here, you'll finalize the transaction by releasing the cryptocurrency to the buyer. A crucial reminder, never release your crypto until you're absolutely certain that you've received the payment. This confirmation step protects you from potential scams or misunderstandings. And there you have it. Selling crypto on BingX can be straightforward once you know the steps, ensuring both safety and efficiency. Remember, each transaction brings you more experience and confidence in the world of cryptocurrency trading. Happy trading, and until next time.